What's the meaning of cassoulet? Cassoulet. Cassoulet.
Cassoulet. Cassoulet. Cassoulet is a traditional French stew that originated in the region of Languedoc. The dish typically consists of white beans, various meats such as pork sausage, duck, and sometimes lamb, as well as vegetables like carrots and onions. These ingredients are slow-cooked together with herbs and spices, resulting in a rich and hearty meal with a complex depth of flavor. Cassoulet is often served as a main course and is a comforting, satisfying dish perfect for colder weather or special occasions.